to 17,800 at the upper end. So that's how the FNO setup is.
Okay, well, Aditya Agarwala of Invest4edu joins us now to talk more about the way forward. Aditya, thanks for joining in. Do you see the market move above this range of around 17,000 to 18,000? Is there any trigger that suggests that, we could break out of this range? And what are the levels that you're watching out for? What are the individual stocks to look at today?
Hi Sonia, good afternoon and thanks for the show. There's a bit of a consolidation that is going on at the moment after a bit of a volatility that we had seen the previous month. March has started off on a cautious note, I would say, and there's a bit of a consolidation that is going on. I wouldn't read too much in the correction that we are seeing today. On the downside, 17,600, 17,550 is a good support area. So if Nifty falls down to those support areas, I would be a buyer rather than a seller in this market with a good stop loss at 17,500 or just below that. And I'm looking for a northward movement at least to levels of 17,800, and that is taken out. 18,000 cannot be ruled out as well. So overall, I believe there is a good, decent upside in the market. Risk to reward is in favor of going long. And especially looking at the bank Nifty, the way it is outperforming today, I believe 42,000 is around the corner on the bank Nifty. So clearly Nifty and bank Nifty both should outperform, and today's correction should provide an opportunity, and if this extends, could be a good buying opportunity for both Nifty and bank Nifty.
Okay, so Aditya, quite optimistic both on the Nifty, where 18,000 can't be ruled out and 42,000 can't be ruled out for the bank Nifty. But what seems to be outperforming today is the mid caps. So any select stock picks that you have from the broader markets as well as from the Nifty space?
Oh, absolutely, Ekta. Clearly, there's a bit of an outperformance from the broader market. We've seen that last week as well, so it's going forward this week as well. So REC is something which is looking very attractive. The entire basket of energy and power is buzzing from last week onwards. So REC is something which has managed to break out of a narrow consolidation phase. At current levels, one can still look to go long, look for a target of 135 on the upside with a decent stop loss at 117 on the downside. The second stock is Indian Hotels. Now, this has been one stock which has clearly bucked the trend despite the fact that markets have been choppy and volatile. This has just went into a sideways consolidation. And today we've seen a good up move on good volumes. So Indian Hotel will be on the buying list for a target of 340 on the upside with a stop loss at 312 on the downside.
Okay, that's on Indian Hotels. Thanks a lot for that. In fact, the market might be lackluster, but there are plenty of stocks which are hitting fresh 52-week highs as well, so don't lose sight of that. Something like a Gujarat Pipavav is at a fresh 52-week high. Blue Star is at a fresh 52-week high. In fact, that stock has had a very strong run in anticipation of a heat wave coming through. Business will move up for a lot of consumer durable makers like Blue Star, something like a KEI Industries, Bosch, all looking pretty good this afternoon. Thanks, Aditya, for joining in and giving us those stock ideas. We'll take a quick break. We'll come back with more on the markets and stock-specific action on the other side. Stay with us.